Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to set a timer on your Google Pixel. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To set a timer, open the clock app first. You can search for this on the apps page by swiping up in the middle of the home screen if you can't find it. Within the clock app, tap on timer, which is at the bottom. You can now enter the time you want it to run for, and once this is entered, tap on the play or start button below the numbers. Once the timer is running, you can pause it or add time to it, or even add more timers with the plus icon. You can delete or cancel a timer with the cross icon in the top right of it. Make sure your volume is up and your phone is not set to silent to be alerted when the time runs out. That's how to set a timer on your Google Pixel. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Google Pixel. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.